Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear storage from your WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here you can see I have WhatsApp open here. Now I can just simply tap on settings, and you can see I have storage and data here. Now what I'm going to do is tap on the manage storage, and here you can see all of your storage on your Android device on your WhatsApp. So to delete, and also you can select all of your chats here, and you can just simply tap on delete, select all of the photos and delete them. So this is how you can easily clear storage from your Android device. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.